In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most profitable strategy that can change your trading style significantly. This popular technical analysis tool is called MACD. At first, let me tell you about what is MACD. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and it is a tool that used by traders to identify potential buy and sell signals in financial markets. What are advantages of using MACD? By using this indicator, traders can identify the direction of trend and allowing them to align their trades with the prevailing market momentum. Additionally, the MACD indicator is straightforward and can be easily interpreted, and it can be utilized even by beginners. And also MACD can be used in different time frames like hourly, daily, weekly, and so on, and it is suitable for day trading, swing trading, or even long-term investing. For using MACD, you should go to TradingView and go to indicator chart and search for MACD and add it to your chart. MACD is made up of four different components: MACD line, signal line, the histogram, and the zero line. MACD line, which is blue line, and in most cases is usually a 12-day moving average. Orange line is signal line and usually a 26-day moving average. Additionally, histogram illustrates difference between MACD line and signal line. For example, the smaller the space between two lines, the smaller the histogram we have, or the bigger difference, the bigger histogram we have. When MACD crosses above the signal line, the histogram turns green, and if signal line crosses above MACD line, histogram turns red. By utilizing MACD, we can easily predict the next trend of chart with high accuracy. Whenever MACD line crosses signal line upward, we can say that there is going to be uptrend. Furthermore, whenever MACD line crosses signal line downward, we can predict that market chart gonna go for downtrend. Moreover, histogram can convey practical information. For example, if the histogram is getting bigger, it means that there is an increase in momentum. For long position, when MACD line crosses signal line upward and they are located below the zero line, it is best time for entering the market. And if this happens above the zero line, you should not enter the market for long position. Additionally, for short position, if MACD line crosses signal line downward above the zero line, you should go for it. But if this happens below the zero line, you must avoid entering the market for short position. You should never trade with MACD against the trend of market, and you can use EMA or exponential moving average indicator to avoid this. Go to indicator and type EMA and add it to your chart. And then go to EMA setting and change the length to 200. For buying, you should make sure that chart is above 200 EMA and MACD line crosses signal line upward below the zero line. In this case, you are so sure and there is enough amount of confirmations for you to enter the market for buying and long position. I also brought you several real-time examples to grasp the information about how to use MACD completely. First example, is from gold market, and I want to show you how to use MACD indicator to define when is the best time for buying and go for long position, and when the market is downtrend and you can go for short position. As I mentioned earlier, there are some conditions that it is so worthy to know about if you want to utilize MACD in your trading. For example, at this point, we can see that the MACD line crosses the signal line downward, and also they are located at the top of the zero line. So it is the best signal for us to go for short position, and we can go for short position from here, exactly this point, and we can see that this was a so accurate prediction, and this proves and substantiates how MACD is efficient in trading. And also, let me tell you another example in this chart, which is best time for go for long position. For example, at this, you can see that this point, we can see that the MACD line crosses signal line upward, and also they are located at the bottom of zero line, and it is the best time for going for long position. And let me uh, bring the long position in this line. Brought you another example, which is from Bitcoin market, to show you how to use and utilize MACD indicator in your trading. And as I mentioned earlier, for using MACD, there are some conditions. For example, whenever the MACD line crosses the signal line downward and they are located at the bottom of zero line, this is the best opportunity for buying and go for long position. For example, at this point, we can see that the MACD line crosses the uh, signal line upward, and they are located at the bottom of zero line, and this is the best time for going for long position. And let me use and grab the long position here, exactly this point, and we can see that there is a long profitable trading by just using a MACD indicator, and this substantiates how MACD is useful in your trading, and you can be like professional trader and make a lot of money by just using MACD and knowing about its special conditions. And let me tell you another instance that was so good for a short position. For example, at this point, we can see that the MACD line crosses the signal line downward, and also it is the best time for going for short position. Let me grab the short position from here. As you can see, so that was an accurate prediction that we made by just using the MACD indicator. And as I mentioned in my all videos, trading is so similar to mathematics. In mathematics, if you want to be a professional and obtain high grades, you must solve a lot of problem and rehearse and practice daily, and you will never be a prominent mathematician by just memorizing formula. And trading is so similar, and if you want to be a professional and expert trader, you cannot just be a professional by, for example, memorizing the candlestick patterns or just knowing about support and demand zones and know about some indicators. No, it is not sufficient. You must apply this knowledge to charts and read charts daily and try to analyze it and try to understand what is the next move of chart and try to predict all charts. And at this situation, you will be a professional trader and you will make money by trading. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions related to, for example, MACD indicators, support and demand zones, candlestick patterns, price action methods, you can ask me in a comment and I will answer it as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye bye.